Hi, I thought this would be good to just make up a video to explain this. You're doing just fine, and I think that this will be helpful. So, when I was saying you want to find out what x equals, that's what the quadratic formula is all about. For some reason, you're putting a zero here. That should not be a zero. We are solving for r. Here, here you're solving for x when you put it into this format, this quadratic format, and that's what you did here. Let me see. You have this equation you started with, and then you subtracted a from both sides, which looked good, and then there you go, and then you have zero here. And then what you do is you pull the numbers that are in front of the variables, and that's in front of r squared, just like you would here. You'd pull the numbers in front of x, and you did this very well, and then you substituted into this formula, but your variable is going to be r, not zero. This doesn't equal zero, this equals r. So I think that's where the confusion is. So right here, you solved it for r. One thing that you want to think about is that this says plus or minus the square root. I'm just rewriting this. This is what r is, though. Um, and Anyway, I'm not going to rewrite the whole thing, but you want to think about, plus or minus, can you have a negative radius? So anyway, you want to think about that, and then the next part for part C. So that's part B. You've already done that. For part C, it's asking to find the radius given a certain area. So then all you do is, I just can't read this. It's the handwriting's like too small for me. I think it's, I'm not sure, but let's just say it's 144 pi squared plus 8 pi a over 4 pi. I think I went out of the lens of the camera, so let me try and make it. So anyway, let me, I should have made that smaller. Sorry about that. I'll make it smaller, and then you'll be able to see it better. Not my best video, but that's okay. We'll get there. Still didn't work. Okay, I need to move this over this way, and then let's see. No, it doesn't help. So all you do for part C is you substitute in for A, and I'll rewrite this and find out what R is. So, and you just do this in your calculator because, and you can just show the steps as you go. Like, okay, I did, I multiplied these, and this is what I got for this, and all that, plus 8 pi A. So then you substitute for A, and you just simplify everything. So and then once you substitute for a, then you'll find out what r is. But you want to show these steps, go along and say, oh, I multiplied these and added these. You want to simplify here underneath the square root sign everything that you can, and you'll have a number, and then take the square root of that, and show some of these steps. If in doubt, you can always show more steps, but I think you should be fine. So let me know if you have further questions. Hope this was helpful for you, Tony. Thanks. Have a great night. Bye.